Hi everyone, I'm Cherich.
I'm Xenia, and today we're going to be making a Date and Oat Bar. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Now I'm going to take a cup of walnuts and just chop it up coarsely. Okay, so now we're going to put 1 cup of dates in warm water. Now we're going to put all of the dry ingredients together.
Now we're going to stir it all up.
I'm going to drain the dates and add it to the dry ingredients.
Alright, so now we're going to mix in 3/4 cup of almond butter and 3/4 cup honey together and then put it in with the oats and dates.
Now I'm gonna just put a little bit of oil in this baking pan and grease it up. Now I'm gonna add the mixture to the pan.
Now we're going to put the bars in the oven for 15 minutes.
It's been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take them out of the oven.
Okay, so now that the bars are out of the oven, we're going to let them cool for about 10 minutes or until they're cold enough for your liking.
Now that they are ready, you can go ahead, cut them up, and serve them. Thank you guys.